I will be talking about the three major disasters which have helped shape societal thinking on environmental issues. The Minamata disaster occurred 50 years ago, in 1957. It was the worst mercury poisoning disaster the world has ever seen. The mercury contaminated fish living in Minamata Bay, and the people ate the fish. Therefore, they contaminated themselves and became very ill. About 900 people died from poisoning and 2,265 people suffered from it. The mercury was thrown into the bay by a chemical plant, which is an industrial process plant that produces chemicals. These are some of the symptoms. The general symptoms are muscle weakness, damage to hearing, vision, and speech, and crippling hands and feet. And some of the extreme cases are paralysis, coma, or even death. In 1984, Bhopal, India suffered a massive industrial accident. Tons of methyl isocyanate gas leaked from a pesticide plant. This accident killed about 3,800 people. The disaster caused a need to enforce laws which would lead to a safer environment. These involve some strategies which would prevent any other accidents from happening. Human health consequences still remain in India, but there has been positive changes in the government's policies which encourage other companies to help in local industry. The world's worst nuclear disaster happened at the Chernobyl plant in Pripyat, Ukraine in 1986. High radioactivity levels were sent into the atmosphere due to a massive explosion and fire. Plant operators made many mistakes while doing a test to see how the plant would work if it lost power. This caused an unstable environment. The explosion caused a second explosion, which led to fires around the Chernobyl plant. Firefighters were able to put out the fires before they caused any further explosions, but the radioactive smoke expanded over the Western Soviet Union and Europe.